everyone, I am Navya from 8th standard and today I make the model of acid rain. You know guys why acid rain happened? A very huge use of chemicals can make the acid rain because of industries, toxic of fishes and cars. When acid rain happens, the fishes, the humans can die also. Some harmful gases SO2, NO2 are responsible for acid rain. It can causes the death of fishes like starfish and all and the plants also. So we don't use the petrol and diesel vehicles but use CNG and electrical vehicles to clean our environment safe.